my background on my knowledge of science and technology. I speak from studying different types of science-related subjects. I'm in the process of learning about each science subject. I learn and apply many different methods. This is called experimental physics or applied physics. I observe things around me and try them out for myself and work on improving the efficiency. Then I apply the methods that work the best. From there I apply those into my everyday life. Science has been a passion of mine since the age of 10 years old. As finding myself alone most of the time, I began to get curious about the world around me. I decided to investigate and observe. I wanted to know how everything works. At the age of 17 I began to really invest my time into science-related subjects. My curiosity grew more at this time. I began observing the fundamentals of physics, that lead into, the workings of mechanics, and further educated myself into electricity, only the basics. Studying the basics of electricity transferred to electrochemical energy. Next, science introduced me to chemistry. I began to grow more curious and I began educating myself in all sciences of the course of 5 years. Now at the age of 21 years old I have familiarized myself with many more subjects related to science. One in particular was computer science and how that worked. Because of the electricity required for the operation of the computer, I wondered what if I then had that aha moment that we all experience when we're young children. I delved deeper into the science subjects of computer science and electricity and wondered how fast can a computer operate and how fast does electricity move through the air. These subjects lead into sound vibrational frequencies. My inspiration now comes from music and the sound it makes as it travels through my eardrums and what feeling it gives to the human spirit. I thought to myself, this is really cool, and thus sparked a bigger interest. This interest became a passion. I have not stopped since then. I continue to experiment with different subjects every day. One subject keeps leading into the next. My mind likes to see the way things work and my curiosity pushes things to the limit. Then my next thought was, what sort of things can I push to the limit? The link with this idea was, how should a robot move? How should it sound? What should it look like? And finally, how should operate the most efficiently? Now at the age of 21 years old I have not stopped following my passion. My passion to find out how the world around me works. And that has expanded my horizons in all the subjects of science and technology.